sweet blossoms, I'm Nazanin and today I'm gonna show you how to crochet these super fun and nostalgic characters many of us grew up with. It's full of charm, color, and personalities. The perfect little project to make your days brighter. Let's get started. We'll need these small wooden beads for the head. You can find them online on websites like Amazon or eBay or simply at your local craft stores. We'll also need a pencil, an eraser, and markers to draw the little face on the wooden beads. Look, I made it before. We're gonna make this one. A white correction pen is optional but very helpful for adding the details like teeth, the white part of the eyes, and the light reflection in pupils. We'll use some keychain rings. Feel free to use any type or style you like. Small felt balls for the hands and feet of the doll, and the yarn in the 3 colors. You can use any type of the yarn you like. I'm using cotton yarn, a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, but feel free to use hook size that matches your yarn. We'll also need a needle for sewing, and for the hair we'll need a pom-pom maker, or you can make the pom-poms in any way you're comfortable with. And a pair of pliers might also come in handy to help pull the yarn through the tight spaces. Okay, using a pencil, we gently start sketching the face of our little wooden head doll. No need to press the pencil hard. We begin with the nose, drawing a small oval shape. Then we move on to the eyes, draw them slowly and carefully. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can easily fix it using an eraser. Let's make another eye. I'm using the eraser to fix it. Don't press the pencil too hard. Okay. Next, we sketch the mouth, including the tooth and a cute tongue. Now I'm sketching the tooth and the tongue. Okay, now I'm gonna making eyebrows for it. Once the face is sketched, we start coloring with the marker. Begin by filling the nose, then move on to the mouth and teeth and the eyes. I'm filling the nose by red marker. Don't push too hard the marker. Just move very slowly on the wooden ball. I'm using another side of my marker for more precision. I'm using the black color. Sketching the mouth with a black marker. Then make the teeth. Now I'm filling the side the mouth. As I said to you, don't push too hard the marker. Now I'm making a few dots on the nose and go for the eyes. Another one. Now the eyebrows and slashes, and add a little more charm. Draw a few simple lines on the both cheeks and below the mouth for the extra details, okay? Finally, use a soft peach marker to give your doll some rosy cheeks. It makes them look even more adorable. Okay, our cute doll face is almost done. Now we can go for this body and hairs and other parts, okay? As I said to you, you can use the correct pen for making the piece. Let me show you. For the reflection light in the pupils and the teeth if you want, okay? I fill the teeth with the white correction pen. Also, you can use the white marker if you have. Okay, it's almost done. Our little face is ready. Now you can draw any kind of face you like for your dolls. I've shared all the tips you need. Just let your creativity flow and have fun. Start with yellow yarn. Make a slip knot on your hook and make 12 chains. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Grab your next color, make a slip knot on your hook, pull it through the loop, and then make 13 chains. Here is our first chains, and now we're gonna making double crochets. Wrap a yarn around your hook into the third stitch from the hook. Make double crochet, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Now we're gonna making 3 more double crochet into the same chain space, okay? Second one, third one, and the fourth. Now we're gonna making 4 double crochet into the each next chains. 4 double crochet into the each stitches. Keep going along by this diagram until the end of this color. For the last double crochet, don't complete it, skip the last 2 loops. Bring your next color, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the stitch, grab a yarn, bring the yarn out and pull through 2 loops, and now pull through all the loops, okay? Now continue with making 4 double crochet into the each stitches, 3 more double crochet in the same stitch here, and 4 double crochet into the each next stitches, okay? Look, here is our joining line between 2 color. Cut the yarn and continue with making double crochet, okay? In the end, just making 3 more chains and join with the slip stitch to the last stitch. Now we're gonna making 14 chains for the scrap for the curing, making 14 chains. If you're enjoying this video and haven't subscribed yet, please tap that subscribe button so you won't miss out my upcoming video. I would be happy that you're joining to my little crochet family. Your support truly means the world to me. Okay, join with the slip stitch to the first chain. And now cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Secure the tail of the yarns between the stitches. I'm using my needle for secure the tail of the yarn here. Have you ever made a cute little keychain like this? Tell me your experience in the comments. I'm all ears. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I'm here to help you. Don't be shy. Ask me anything. Okay. Moving very slowly between the stitches. Don't push too hard the needle. Okay, cut the tail of the yarn. And now hide this tail of the yarn too. Let's tidy up, twist it on loops a little bit to make everything looks neat and clean. Yes. Here is our body of the doll. Now we're gonna join the head to it. Secure these two tail of the yarns too. Now I'm gonna bring the strap in from inside the head out, and now for the hair I need a pom-pom maker. I'm using a pom-pom maker machine to make his hair. You can make the pom-poms in any way you're comfortable with. Bring my orange color and wrap it around the pom-pom machine. Just keep wrapping the yarn gently around the pom-pom maker until the middle semicircle is about halfway full. No need to overdo it. Nice and fluffy is what we want. Okay. Okay, cut the yarn and do the same for the other side. Okay, I made it. Now we're gonna cut the yarns from the middle all around it. And the other side. Now we need a piece of the yarn for making it, and pull through it from the middle here. Now we're gonna making a tie knot. Again, wrap it through it, and now again make two tight knots. Okay. Another knot. Now remove the pom-pom maker, open it, and remove it. Okay, our pom-pom is ready. Now we're gonna joining it to the head. I'm using a hook for joining it. Insert my hook inside the pom-pom, middle of it, and let's find the middle of it. Okay, and grab a chain strap and bring it out from the hair, and now I'm gonna fix it, and I'll just tidy up the hair a little and give it a trim with the scissors, just enough to make it look more like the original character, cute and neat. I'm using a bit of hot glue to fix the hair onto the head and keep it nicely in place. Simple, and it holds really well. Okay. Now I wanna attach the keyring to it like this. You can use any type of decoring you like. And almost done. Now we're gonna making the hands and the legs. Okay, I'm using a variegated yarn for the hands and feet. It adds such a fun and playful touch, but feel free to use any yarn color or texture you like. Let your creativity shine. Okay, make a slip knot on your hook and then make 20 chains for the hands. Okay, cut the yarn. Now we're gonna joining our little ball to it, little felt ball. I'm using my needle. Insert my needle inside the felt ball. You can use any material you like. I'm fix it by glue and cut the yarn. Now I'm gonna joining the hand to the body. Move between the stitches like this, bring it out from the other side and join another felt pom-pom to it. Insert my needle inside the pom-pom and fix it by the warm glue. Okay, do the same for the legs. I'll show you. Okay, for the legs we're gonna making 20 chains. And with the needle insert it inside the leg here and insert it again from the bottom. Okay, bring it out from the other side and join the pom-poms to it. Okay, done. Our little crochet doll is ready. I have more cute keychain doll tutorial on my channel. Don't miss them. They're perfect for using up your leftover yarns. Make them as a gift, sell them, or simply hang them on your bags and spread their joys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed making this playful little doll, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Crochet Symbol. I'd love to see your finished piece, so feel free to send me your photos to my email address or Instagram. You can find the address of them in my description below. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next tutorial. Bye.